First, please open your image editing software. You can select the image you like and then adjust its pixels. After adjusting the pixels, you can save it. Save the format as PNG, and name it Zhnn logo. Then you can open the image properties to check whether the pixels, format, and naming are correct. After the inspection, copy the images to a USB drive, and then insert the USB drive into the car stereo radio. Then click Settings. Find the system. Click on About Device. Find Local Update and choose the logo. Finally, click to start upgrade.